Welcome to Cypress Developer Community, or CDC 3.0. Here, we're introducing your design problems to the latest solutions. Let's take a look at a few tips to help you maximize your CDC experience. Let's start with generating a new account and logging into your community. When you're ready, click Login on the top right portion of the screen. You'll then be redirected to a registration form. Be sure to fill everything out, submit, and confirm your email address. After these steps are completed, you can begin your active participation in the community. Make sure you choose a profile photo and avatar that matches your personality. We want users to know who they're interacting with. We know that putting your public information out there can be scary. That's why we offer advanced privacy settings to control what other users can see. Once your preferences are established, you can preview your profile to see how you appear to others in the community. It's up to you how often you'd like to hear from us. So with the email preference options, you can set when you would like to receive emails, such as when there are responses to a thread you followed, or when a piece of content changes that you are following, or maybe you've received a verified answer to a question you've posted. Now that we've walked through the basics, let's show you how to follow the content that is important to you. Just like in other social platforms, you have the ability to @mention users to draw their attention to a specific post or thread. Users you mention will receive an email notification. One of the greatest characteristics of our new community is the Spotlight search tool. It can easily be accessed anywhere across CDC 3.0 and will help you quickly find relevant content, places, and users. If you want to see how you compare to your peers, take a look at your profile. See who your connections are and what content you've contributed. When you're done, see how you compare to other users. Your CDC 3.0 account is now ready to go. Welcome to this new and improved developer community, connecting you with the Cypress applications team and engineers around the world.